The nation pays homage to the Chief Architect of Indian Constitution Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on his 131st birth anniversary today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya in New Delhi. Under Honey Mission, the Khadi and Village Industries Commission State Office Shillong has distributed 400 bee boxes with live colonies and other toolkits to the farmers of Kongtong village. The state government has directed the Urban Affairs Department and Shillong Municipal Board to identify land for relocating over 342 households of the sweepers colony from Themyo Maulong. Leader of Opposition and former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma has condemned the government's attempt to forcefully impose Hindi as a compulsory subject up to class 10 in Meghalaya and other northeastern states without taking the overall sentiments of the people into account.